Australia's national law is changing. From the 1st of January 2021, many domestic commercial vessels must install a float-free EPIRB. There are several brands of float-free EPIRB on the market. GPS-enabled EPIRBs are best. EPIRBs without GPS are accurate to within a 5-kilometre area. GPS-enabled EPIRBs are accurate to within 120 metres. Each model comes with its own bracket that needs to be installed on the vessel according to the manufacturer's instructions. On the outside of the vessel, note the vessel may list or roll during submersion. Clear open space away from any obstructions. Easy access in an emergency in case manual activation is required. Protected from damage. Correct EPIRB installation can make a difference to survival and the ability of the EPIRB to operate. Before you leave shore, always make sure the EPIRB is placed correctly in the mounting bracket. Your float-free EPIRB must be mounted in a spot that's easy to access in case you need to activate it manually. Incorrect positioning of the EPIRB in the bracket can cause inadvertent activation during rain or rough seas. If this happens, it will set off an unnecessary search and rescue response, and it could be at a critical time when our resources are needed in a genuine emergency. EPIRBs have a cord, and it is important it doesn't get caught in the case lid. And the cord should never be attached to the vessel. It is also important to fit your EPIRB in the right mounting bracket. Each brand is designed differently, and the brackets are never one size fits all. When you purchase your EPIRB, register your EPIRB with AMSA. It's easy to do so and helps us to find you when you need us most.